The next thing we're going to do is we're going to, a screw broke into the table when I was taking them out to put my devices on. So therefore, you get a pair of vice grips, lock them in on the screw, and unscrew the screw. If that doesn't work, you go to Home Depot and you buy a 1/4 drill bit kit. This is it. Okay, these are 1/4 holes. So you would, next is you would drill the screw out. Then, after you drill the screw out, you would put the cap on and re-tap new grooves for your screws. Thank you, and that's another video